how to delete and undo in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So it's pretty simple. If you want to delete an object in Blender, what you can do, you go here to object and you select the object. Here you have delete, and right to where it says delete, right beside delete, you see the shortcut key delete X. If you want to delete, you can also go here and delete, but you can also go here and you can also press on your keyboard X and then delete. If you want to undo, is Control Z, or is you can go here and press undo. I hope this short tutorial helped you and I hope you learn something. Thank you for watching this video.